Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel by Literacy Now. I'm Diana and today I'm going to teach you how to add color to your doodle fonts. So the first thing you want to do is choose the doodle that you're trying to color in. I'm using my own font, be in Plant Mom Doodles, and then make it whatever size you're going for. So I'm using 450. Now I want to start by coloring in the leaves of this plant. So I'm going to create a shape by going to Insert, Shape, and then I'm going to choose the option that says Curve. This is going to allow me to use my mouse as like my clicker or my cursor. So I'm going to click inside of the black lines and I'm going to click as often as possible. That is the trick until you get all the way across to where you started. That's going to help you create that shape, the shape that mirrors or that looks exactly like the leaves of this plant. So keep watching to see how I do that. Now I'm going to change the color because it automatically defaults to this dark blue. So I'm going to choose a color that's similar to a plant, like a dark green or a dark olive color. And then I have to remove the outline because again, it defaults to this dark blue outline. So I'm going to go here and choose no outline. The final step I'm going to do is I'm going to send this shape to the back so that I'm able to see the edges of the plant leaves. So I'm going to choose Arrange and then Send Backward. And now I'm going to do the exact same thing to color in the pot. Just like before, we're going to Insert, Shape, Curve. We're going to click as often as possible until the line connects and creates that shape. Once the shape is created, we're going to format the color. So we go to Shape Fill, change the color, remove the outline, and finally send backward. Now I'm going to fast forward the final part of the pot, but as you can see, that is how you add color to your doodle fonts. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will be uploading more videos in the future.